The Volvo XC40's infotainment system runs on Android Automotive OS and handles navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Sometimes it experiences glitches like screen freezes or app crashes. Resetting the system is a common solution. There are two main types: a soft reboot and a factory reset. A soft reboot clears temporary memory without data loss. Access it by navigating to Settings, System Restart, or hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. A factory reset wipes the system back to its original state, deleting all user data. Back up your data first. Access through Settings, Apps and Notifications, Advanced, Reset Options, Factory Reset. To perform a reset, ensure the vehicle is in park with the ignition on and connected to the internet. For a screen freeze, a quick reboot is often sufficient. If issues persist, consider a factory reset, but remember to back up important data first. Since 2023, Volvo has implemented AI-driven diagnostics and more frequent over-the-air updates to minimize these issues. If problems continue even after a factory reset, it may be necessary to visit a Volvo dealership for a firmware flash or professional assistance, especially if hardware-related freezes are suspected. Check your Volvo app or the settings menu for a health check tool, which scans for issues and suggests appropriate actions.